President BBM, you have to come clean. You have to explain it well to the people. Ikaw ang nagsimula ng investigasyon na ito, pero di mo sinasagot kung bakit hinayaan mo na salaulain ng Kongreso ang 2023, 2024 at 2025 GAA. Noong 2023, some 300 billion were inserted and diverted by Congress. Di ka kumibo. Pati na ang gabinete mo, hindi kumibo. 2024, more than 500 billion were inserted and appropriations were diverted. Hindi ka pa rin kumibo. Ang gabinete mo, hindi rin kumibo. 2025 GAA, 473 billion were inserted and appropriations were diverted. Di ka pa rin kumibo, maliban sa 29 billion na binito sa dahilang mas lumaki na ang pondo ng DPWH kaysa DepEd, which will make this 2025 GAA unconstitutional. Parang